So this car, it was mixing compression piston number 1, cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 2. So we want to fix this one. All right, now guys, we are done with putting back the cylinder head. Now we want to do the starting, tuone kama gari iko sawa au sio. Unasikia hiyo sauti? The Toyota 91, it came in the morning with a very bad mist. Two chambers were not the combustion of these two chambers were not very effective. Now we've replaced the gasket and now the car is good. Yeah, we can just go for a road test and everything is fine. Another happy client.
Another happy client.
Yeah.